Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
I don't have parchment paper. You can make no-knead bread without parchment paper. Parchment is the easiest way to lift the dough and place it into the hot pot. Another way is to place the dough directly into the ungreased, hot pot.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If you have just used your last sheet of parchment paper, don't run out to the store just yet. You can actually use paper bags in place of parchment paper if you're baking cakes. You can use any brown bag that, once cut open, will fit the cake pan.
Take our lead.
For a substitute for parchment paper that you can use to bake too, you might consider a Silpat baking mat. These mats are more expensive than parchment paper, but the upside is they can last for years. They are made of silicone and are flexible and heat-resistant.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Yes, certainly you can. For that matter, you can simply grease the cookie sheet itself, although that means scrubbing after baking. Cooking times would be the same as for parchment. You can bake cookies on aluminum foil, but you should be aware that they will cook faster and the bottoms will brown more and get crispy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.